Well, hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver here from Shaver Sales. And can you believe it? It's September, which means it's splitting season. It is time to make firewood before it is too late. But you know what? There's long waiting lines from everybody else, except we have 6 different splitters in stock right here in Dallas, Pennsylvania. They go from 3 different stock series semi-pros to one with an upgraded cylinder and Autocycle, and 2 SplitForce splitters in the very back. So let me grab the camera, we'll do a quick walk around, and I'll tell you all about it. All right, so these first 3 semi-pros are all stock units. They are left over from the Boonville show. We are asking $8,900 on them. And when I say stock, what does that mean? Well, it means the log lift is standard. The manually adjustable 4-way is standard. The in-tank oil filter is standard. The Kohler 14 horsepower is standard. The fast split option is standard, so it's not an option. The big bore cylinder, the pressure gauge, a solid axle underneath, oversized oil tank. That way the oil has a chance to rest. Good size pusher plate, the log cradle. I've got this cylinder extended out a little bit so you can see the big bore on the cylinder itself. Really nice units. Got a little tray here for catching the big stuff to go back in for a resplit on them. 13-inch rubber, highway towable. This is the manually adjust on the wedge. You can move them up and down 4 different pin heights. Removable tow hitch. So these 3, your pick, $8,900 each. Then this one is an upgraded cylinder. It's right off of like the 2024 series. And we went ahead and did the Autocycle on it as well. So you get the double levers. And we threw in a 6-way wedge on this one. Other than that, everything else is identical. It will have an electric start unit available. We've got that one up at Mount Tamanini Ridge with John. He's using that one just for some promo purposes on his channel. I'll put that link in the description down here below if you want to check out him using that one. It's a standard splitter valve, but electric start with the upgraded cylinder. So these are the semi-pros that we have in stock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just grabbed a set of grizzly bars off of a customer. He left yesterday with a disc cleaner. And Abner said, hey, since we're buying the disc cleaner, would you want to take these back in on a trade? I said, absolutely. Would love to have a set of grizzly bars here at the woodlot. Then we have 3 bundle wrappers, 2 log grapples. So they are rated for 3,000 pounds. We have put them to the test here on the woodlot. I know I've had the back wheels of the Toolcat off the ground running around some big stuff. Then we have 2 towable units from SplitForce. The green one's got like your low speed off-road tires on it. And then the black one has like the highway bearings and highway tires on it. So if you were going to go mobile, kind of woodlot to do some custom splitting, wouldn't have any worries about this one tooling down the back roads. Uh, 31-inch table height, 20-inch cylinder, 2-inch ball. They are a GX 270, which works out to about a 9 horsepower Honda on either unit. The log lift added $1,000, but in my opinion, you really need it to make it efficient. Here's another shot of the log grapples themselves. The nice cutout elk scene on the back of the brute force wrappers. what, if you are looking to make firewood as soon as possible, I got you covered, because we have all of this behind me is readily available for sale. So the quick rundown is the SplitForce SF9 towable with the highway axles. The base unit is $8,900. The log lift adds $1,000, so we're at $9,900. The axles and tires were another $200, so we're $10,100, and like $400 to bring it in. We're like $10,500. On the green one, regular axle, regular low-speed tires, again $8,900 plus the log lift is $9,900. Give me a couple bucks to bring it in. We'll call it $10,300. The brute force log grapples are $34.50. The wrappers are $28.50. The semi-pros are $8,900, except for the one with the bigger cylinder and the Autocycle. That'll run basically $89, $99. We'll go $10,900 on that one. So you have a lot of options here that are under 12 grand, some of them even being under 10 grand. So if we can earn your business with the sales quote, would love to do that. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Would love to earn your business with that sales quote, because these videos are not a paid promotion by the manufacturer. It's something that we do to reach out to you so we can have the conversation about getting you a quote and ultimately selling you something off of the woodlot here, or direct shipping it right from the manufacturer to your door. I've got a couple processors that are out there as well that are available. I have an 1824 diesel, full wedge package, 4-way, 6-way, 8-way, 10-way on that one. 10-foot extended frame, the Autocycle, the fold over the top conveyor. Darren from Woodruff Woods is doing a little demo on that one, just trying to get the brand awareness out there. See a lot of orange and blue, but trying to get some red and black out there. Then Jake from Dude Ranch DIY has got one of my 1424s. That's got the extended frame, the upgraded 12-foot conveyor, Autocycle, and fast split on that one as well. And like I said earlier, John from Mount Tamanini Ridge has got one of my semi-pros. That one's an electric start with the bigger cylinder on it as well. So if you see their channels, make sure you give them the thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button here. Remember, we're always working hard to be lazy. Would love to earn your business. Hit our like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.